Well, how's it going, YouTube? Just another day in paradise, right? That's what I thought. Well, this is sort of a small review on this muffler that I bought for my 2000 4Runner. This is the Thrush turbo muffler. I needed a muffler for my 4Runner, and there's the old one that was on it. Now this one, I don't even know if this was the original one, but I checked on the original one, and it's over $160 just for the muffler. And I thought, well, if I can get another muffler pretty close to it, save some money, I'll put another one on it. But this is the old one that was on it, and you can see the one that was on it is pretty big. This one here is about 19 inches. Now the new one I bought here is the Thrush muffler here. It's only about 14 inches or so across this area here. So that means that it's a lot smaller, but I thought, you know, this was the only thing my local auto parts store had, and I had to get a muffler on here so I can at least get it inspect it and start driving it. So this is what I bought, and let's go ahead and look at it real quick. I'm not sure if I like it yet or not. It seems a little loud, which I'm not surprised. I mean, this is mainly for, I guess, street performance, autos, vehicles, or whatever. Probably not the best thing to put on a SUV, something like a Toyota or a 4Runner. Although some people may like the sound, but for me, I like my vehicles nice and quiet. So let's go ahead and look at it real quick. Alright, so we'll lay under here and get a look at it, and it's a pretty day finally. After 6 or 7 days of cloudy weather, finally got a nice day out here. There it is. It's been welded on and everything, and it seems pretty quiet after it idles down, warms up, but until it warms up and it's idling kind of high, it seems like it's a little loud, but overall it's not too bad of a muffler if you like to hear your engine, the sound of your engine a little bit. And there's the front of it. Let's see if I can get the camera just about right there. So so far it hasn't been too bad. So let's go ahead and start this up real quick. Alright, we'll grab the key here and start it up. And as you can kind of hear it running there. After it warms up, it doesn't sound too bad. Alright, now I'll go inside and I'll hit the gas pedal and we'll listen to it. So there you go. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I may drive it for a few days, and I may just go ahead and buy a larger muffler and stick on it and see if it makes it a little bit quieter. I know it sounds a little anal, but like I said, I like my vehicles nice and quiet, especially if you're going to be idling it for a while. But if you like mufflers like this, especially on sports cars and high performance cars and maybe a classic car, maybe it's a muffler for you. But I just want to make a video here and show you guys what this Thrush muffler does sound like. And we'll go back up under here one more time. And so there you go. So we'll see, but there's a review on this muffler. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used one of these Thrush mufflers? Alright, well, she's warmed up now. I think you can kind of hear the engine here and there. Drop in gear. You can still kind of hear the muffler a little bit. It's not terrible, but then again, I don't know what this 4Runner is supposed to sound like, even with the original muffler on it. But we'll walk back here now since it's warmed up and the idle has dropped down. And now you can kind of hear it. Get out of the shadow sunlight here. So it doesn't sound too bad. I mean, you can hear me talking, so. But I just wanted to give you a little review on it. Let me know what you think about these mufflers. So if you want a really quiet SUV, you might want to go with a stock muffler. But if not, if you like the sound, then you can probably get by with something like this for about $30 or $40 at your local parts store and all that. But I just wanted to make a quick video and let you know what this muffler sounds like if you're going to put it on your auto and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that. Until my next video, I'll see you then.